SPC, you'll be surprised to hear what's new in vinyl flooring.
Hi, I'm Sebastian with Chestnut Flooring again, and today I want to talk about something new happening in vinyl flooring. It's called Stone Plastic Composite, or SPC. See, most vinyl floors actually have a wood composite core, but SPC uses crushed limestone instead. This may not sound like much of a difference, but it gives today's SPC vinyl some fascinating properties. For starters, it's much denser than typical vinyl planks, even though the core tends to be thinner. This makes SPC a lot tougher when it comes to handling weight and impacts. The density also lets SPC adapt to temperature changes and moisture without expanding or contracting as much as planks with wood-based cores. Best of all, SPC still comes with all the traditional advantages of vinyl floors. It's available with a click-lock system so you can install it easy over any type of subfloor and even over top of existing tiles. It's waterproof and perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. Best of all, SPC vinyl has the same impressive variety of style options so you can make your floor look like hardwood or stone at a fraction of the cost. Whether you want a mix of attractive and affordable, or are after something to stand up to high traffic and heavy loads, it's hard not to see SPC vinyl as the top contender. Please visit our website to see the types of SPC vinyl we have available, or come down to our showroom to view our selection in person. Please subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on the latest developments in flooring trends and innovations.